Okay, let's look at the homework 7.8, 7.9, problem number 9. Right? So we want to use the double integral to find the area of this shaded region. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so area is going to be, right, so we need a double integral. Alright, so let's do with respect to y first and with respect to x. Alright, so first we're going to fix the x value, so some random x value, and try to see where this vertical line segment starts and where this guy ends. Alright, so you can see that the line segment starts from this straight line, y equals x plus 3. So you're going to put y equals x plus 3 and all the way up to this parabola 9 minus x squared. So y equals 9 minus x squared. Then in order to cover the entire area, you can see that the x is going to have to start from x equals negative 3, and so keep on covering. Then x value, so just to keep on doing that, and all the way to looks like x is going to be equal to, so I'm going to go straight down up to 2. So you can see that the x is going to start from negative 3 and all the way to positive 2. Alright, so let's evaluate this. So this is going to be equal to, right, so you have outside integral as it is, so x equals negative 3 to x equals 2. Right, antiderivative 1 with respect to y would be just y. And you're going from x plus 3 to 9 minus x squared. Then with respect to x, right? Then plug in the top number, top guy, so upper limit, so it's going to be 9 minus x squared, right? Minus, plug in, so x plus 3, right? Then you want to evaluate that with respect to x. Alright, I'm going to just clean this up a little bit. So this is going to be equal to integral from negative 3 to 2. Right, so we have negative x squared. So let's write that down, negative x squared. And we have negative x, so we'll take care of that. So minus x, right? Then you have 9 minus 3. So we will have plus 6, right? Then we have to do that with respect to x. Alright, so using the power rule to find the antiderivative, which is going to be negative x cubed over 3 minus x squared over 2. Then antiderivative 6 is 6x. And you have to evaluate it from negative 3 to positive 2. Right? Then plug in positive 2 first. So 2 cubed is 8, so it's a negative 8 over 3. Right? Plug in 2 squared 4, divided by 2 is 2, so minus 2. Right? And 6 times 2 is 12. Right? Minus. Right? Plug in the negative value. Okay, so 3 cancel out, and negative 3 cancel out, so you're going to have 9, right? Then you have negative 3 squared, so it's going to be 9 over 2, so it's a minus 9 over 2. And plug in negative 3, so negative 18. Alright, so let's compute that. So I'm going to go up here. Alright, so let's collect the numbers. So you have negative 2 plus 12, so that's 10. Then you are subtracting 9, so that's going to be 1. Then you are adding 18, so it's going to be so 1 plus 18, so it's going to be at 19. So positive 19. Right, so took care of all this. Right, then we have to combine these guys. So common denominator. So it's going to be minus, so it's going to be minus. Right, common denominator would be 6. Right, so multiply by 2, so 2 times 8 is 16. Alright, so it's going to be minus, so adding 9 over 2, so multiply by 3 and 27, so negative 27, which is going to be, alright, common denominator is 6, so 19 times 6 would be, 9 times 6 is 54, and 1 times 6 is 6, so 6 plus 5 is 114, and minus 11, so it's going to be minus negative 11, so plus 11. Right, so this is going to be 125 over 6. Right, so that is the area of the shaded region. Alright, let's check. Alright, the answer we got was 125 over 6. Alright, so let's submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.